Hello everyone, welcome to Yem's Beauty Beads. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this beaded ring, this beaded daisy flower ring. So please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and turn on your notification for more videos. So I'm going to insert the wire into the big eye needle like this. Then I'm gonna insert 8 beads first. One, two, three, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this is 8 green beads. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to insert 4 white beads. One, 2, 3, and 4. So the fifth one is the middle one. So this is the middle bit. So there's the yellow. So the next thing is I'm going to insert the wire into the first white bead. Okay. So we have this. So the next thing is I'm going to insert 3 beads, 3 white beads to form the flower. One, 2, and 3. The 3 beads. So the next thing, so I'm going to insert the wire into the white bead that is closer to the yellow bead. And this is the end product. Now I'm going to add another 8 green beads. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I'll go ahead and roll this back. So now I'll go ahead and cut the wire. And make a knot. So I'm just gonna add the glue on the knot. So you just leave it to dry. Then after that, you just need to cut the wire. And your ring is ready. So that's it.